shallow again.
Yeah, shallow.
When you go down below the calm, it drops down like.
Just right at that shallow there. Okay, gotcha.
You start right up there and then you fish right down through there.
Okay, good. I'll give that a go. Thanks, buddy. So we got a a nice perfect run right here that we're fishing, and I'm going to start with a streamer. Just a couple tips for this is that I find when people come in, they look at a spot just like this, they fish too far away first. Probably where the fish are sitting are just right here. And yeah, sure, we could nymph it, but it's always fun to get something on a streamer. So just have just a little bit of line out, and rather than fishing past these fish, just put it into the run with a very short line and just tap it, just twitch it, move it, just in that little area, and try to move that right where the fish are and not past them. And what you can also do is you can take your fly line and move it out, so that's going to move that fly and it's going to send it back out and swing it that way into the other side of the river a little bit, and then it'll swing back, and just try to get it in front of their nose so they take it maybe through more aggression than feeding. Fish on. This black streamer for the win again. This is definitely a nice fish here. Again, it's funny, these fish, he hit that once. I thought I felt a little tick on the fly, and I put it right back to the same spot. Oh, and he did hit that. Oh, this is a nice fish. Try to keep him away from that rock there. I'm gonna have to go chase this guy. He was sitting right in those rapids. See if I can bring him back. There he comes.
Nice fish.
Yeah. Let's see if I can bring him in a little bit closer, buddy. I don't want to force him, obviously, because I think this one's got a lot of girth. It was sitting right in the fast water. I'll be quite surprised if it's not a trout.
Yeah, it's a trout.
Trout?
Yeah.
It looks like a good size too. Come on, buddy, come on in.
No, it's a nice trout.
Yeah. This has got a lot of weight to it, and there's a lot of head shakes on this guy. Come on, we want to get you in and let you go. Just a quick picture for everybody. I love streamer fishing. I started out streamer fishing when I first started fly fishing, and it's just so rewarding. And the hit you get from big brown trout, big brook trout, like especially big brook trout like these, they just slam that fly.